news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and dedicated and laid the foundation stone of over 30 development projects worth more than 56,000 crore rupees in Adilabad, Telangana today. All these projects are related to sectors like power, oil and petroleum, rail and road sectors of various states. The Prime Minister reached Telangana this morning on a two-day visit. On the first leg of his visit to Telangana, Mr. Modi dedicated to the nation the 800-megawatt second unit of NTPC's Telangana Super Thermal Power Project in Pedapalli. The ultra-supercritical technology-based project will supply 85% of power to the state and will have the highest power generation efficiency of approximately 42% among all power stations of NTPC in the country.
पहले के दौर में सबसे ज्यादा उपेक्षा का शिकार तेलंगाना जैसे इलाकों को ही इसकी मुसीबतें झेलनी पड़ती थी। लेकिन पिछले 10 वर्षों में हमारी सरकार ने तेलंगाना के विकास के लिए कहीं ज्यादा राशि खर्च की है। हमारे लिए विकास का मतलब है गरीब से गरीब का विकास, दलित, वंचित, आदिवासियों का विकास।